This 5-minute solution will show you how to edit Assistive Access on iOS 17. So if you updated your iOS version to 17 and now you want to edit or customize the Assistive Access, follow these easy steps. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get this Assistive Access option. So tap on it. And here you will get the Assistive Options layout. You can select Grid to show apps in Assistive Access grid mode. And you can also select here Rows. And then tap on Wallpaper. And you can add a wallpaper for your Assistive Access home screen. You can show time on lock screen by enabling this option. You can allow volume buttons from here. And if you want to remove or add any apps on your Assistive Access, then tap on Manage Apps. And now from here you can remove any app, or to add any apps, tap on this plus icon next to the app that you want to add. And now let's check these. So I'm going to tapping on Start Assistive Touch, giving the Assistive Touch password, and as you can see, it's changed. To again customize this Assistive Touch, triple tap on this power button, 1, 2, 3, then tap on Settings. And you can enable airplane mode from here. You can enable dark mode. You can change the volume level from here. You can change brightness. You can change text size. Tap on Back. And to exit, tap on Exit Assistive Touch. Enter here the Assistive Touch password. So this is how we can change or customize Assistive Access. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.